In this video, we're gonna cover how to get started in affiliate marketing from scratch. Whether you're broke, whether you have money to your name, or wherever. How to get started and what steps that you wanna take if you wanna go ahead and become an affiliate marketer. What's going on, Wolves? Eric Ellis Jr. here, currently in Malaysia, actually here for the next couple of days, and most likely going to be taking a flight out to Europe. And if this is your first time coming across my channel, I'm a serial digital entrepreneur and I make money online through things of affiliate marketing and selling my own products and everything of that nature. More importantly, what's in it for you, right? I create content on the daily to help you live a life of time, location, and financial freedom, right? So you guys could eventually travel the world or just have more freedom or not working 9 to 5, work from wherever you want, right? If you like that type of content, go ahead and hit that subscribers button, hit that notifications bell, and join the family, right? We are all wolves, we are all hungry, we all freaking eat. If you guys want to know my #1 recommendation to actually make money online, that'll be the first link in the description. Now let's get right to it. Now here's the thing, a lot of times, people always ask me the question, how do I get started? So I thought I'd just make a quick little tutorial, I guess you could say, and let you know if I was to go ahead and start from scratch, like what I do, right? Now guys, what is affiliate marketing? If you guys don't know what affiliate marketing is simply you get paid for recommending products, right? It's product recommendations. So an example, the last time you watched a really good movie, my question to you is, did you go ahead and tell somebody about that movie, right? Most likely you did. Now, did you get paid for when that person actually bought tickets? And then when they recommended, did you get paid? No, absolutely not, right? But imagine every time you believed in something, something was good, you had a great experience, and you recommended it, and you got paid a commission, right? That's exactly what you can do. A lot of the times people ask what softwares I use to run my business. People ask what cameras I use to shoot my content, right? And these are all opportunities that we could be using to actually make money, right? Because a lot of these companies, a lot of these products literally have affiliate programs where they'll literally give you a unique affiliate link for that specific product, and just because you were referring, right, that person, you're gonna go ahead and get paid a commission. Now an example, let's just say your dentist, right, said, hey, any person that you recommend, I'll go ahead and give you $50 off your next dentist thing. Or Netflix, if they said you go ahead and recommend somebody to Netflix, we'll go ahead and give you a month for free or something along those lines, right? What happens is they're compensating you for you bringing them a referral. It's the same thing as affiliate marketing. You're getting compensated, but instead of them taking money off of your bills, they're actually going to go ahead and pay you a percentage of the total sale, right? So whether it's a physical product or whether it's a physical or a digital product, right? I prefer digital products because there's much larger project margins, right? It does not matter. There's a whole bunch of affiliate opportunities out there, right? Now, the first thing is, when it comes to affiliate marketing, you want to figure out your niche, right? The big 3 niches are health, wealth, and romance, right? Health, wealth, and romance. Now, why are those the biggest 3? Health is going nowhere, right? People are always going to want to get healthy. People are always going to want a nice body. Romance, people are always going to want to know how to attract the opposite sex, how to improve their relationship, etc. And last but not least, number 3 is wealth. People are always going to want to make more money, right? Period. People always are going to want more for themselves. That's why you're watching this video right now. But there's a plethora of niches, and what you want to do is, when you first get started, you want to figure out what your niche is. What is your niche? What do you want to get started in? Do you want to go ahead and promote products in the wealth niche, in the health niche, in the romance niche, or do you want to even kind of go astray and talk about golfing products, or do you want to talk about like dog training or cat training or whatever, right? Now guys, one thing that I want you to understand is that depending on your niche will depend on the size of the marketplace, will depend on the amount of money that you can make, right? So you do have the opportunity to make bigger money in niches like health and wealth, right? Why? Because there's a much broader spectrum of products that you can actually promote. And number 2 is there's like a lot of people who are just looking for those results, right? If I was to do golfing, right, there might be a much smaller amount of people that you can promote. Me personally, I'm not buying a golfing product, right? but I might buy health because I want to get bigger muscles or something along those lines. I might buy wealth, which I have, because I want to improve my financial state. So with that being said, find your niche. Now the next thing is to find an offer, right? Now the best way to find offers, guys, is you can either do your research and search your actual niche and see if there's companies that have affiliate programs, right? But to find a really good offer, you want to go ahead and find somebody who has an offer that converts really well, right? Platforms like ClickBank, JVZoo, or things along those lines, you can actually do your due diligence and say, if I was to go on ClickBank, I could literally look and say, okay, this amount of people have made this amount of people have made money within the last week, right? That means people are actually making money. That means it's converting. That means if I promote it, I have more of a chance of actually making money, right? So just because they offer an affiliate program doesn't mean you want to promote it, right? You're gonna make sure that the offer is, number one, congruent with your brand, right? You don't want to just promote something just because you can make money off of it, right? You want to, how affiliate marketing is you're building an audience and you're recommending products to that audience and you're generating sales. You don't ever want to build an audience who knows, likes, and trusts you and then sell a crappy product, because you immediately lose their trust, right? So you build an audience. Once you build that audience, then the next step. So you find a product that you can comfortably recommend, one that's going to make you money, one that you wouldn't mind recommending to somebody, right, that knows, likes, and trusts you. And last but not least, you're going to have profit margins, right? The reason why I don't do Amazon Associates is because they literally pay like 5 to 10%. Digital products literally pay anywhere from 30 to 75% commissions, right? So you can make way more money on the same product. Next is traffic source, right? Now, I'm skipping a step, which is a sales funnel. You need something to sell it, right? Some people say website, some people say sales funnel. The reason why I prefer, instead of creating an affiliate website and sales funnels, is because you can scale it. I can do paid advertising. If I was to go ahead and do an affiliate website, right, I really can't run advertisement because, and this is getting a little bit complex, but I can't really run advertisement because they're just clicking around. There's no focus. With the sales funnel, it's literally step-by-step focus of where they're going in that sales process, and then you can literally sell to people on autopilot. And that's kind of like jargon. If this is your first time coming across affiliate marketing, that's kind of like jargon, right? But the easiest thing is that you need something to sell it, either a website, sales funnel, and then you want to go ahead and connect the offer and then start driving traffic. Two things, right? You can either build an audience to drive traffic for free to your offers, or number two is you can do paid traffic, right? And that's where you need a sales funnel. Now, paid traffic sources, what can you do? You can do Facebook, you can do influencer ads, you can do YouTube videos, you can do solo ads. There's a whole bunch of freaking traffic methods that you can do to get people to your actual offers. The objective, guys, is to find targeted traffic, right? People who are looking to solve a specific problem, and you want that product to be the solution, right? So if this is a weight loss product, I want to go ahead and get my product, right, with paid traffic or free organic traffic. Let's just say a YouTube video or a blog, right? Creating content, and then you want it to be specific content that is congruent with people who are trying to solve a problem. An example, you're watching this video. This is a form of free traffic. You're looking to solve the problem of, I want to make more money online. I want freedom. I want to work on my own terms. I don't want to work for anybody anymore. I want to build something of my own, right? So you're my target audience. That's why you're watching this video, and that's why you're continuing to watch this video, right? And the things that I promote and the things that I recommend, not only is this content going to give value to you, right? But number two, anything that I recommend is going to be, I'm not going to go ahead and teach you guys this type of content. And I'm not going to go ahead and say, now I have a product that'll help you lose weight, right? No, I'm going to recommend something that'll help you get to your ending goal, which is making more money, which is living a life of freedom, which is literally living life on your terms, right? So same thing, whenever you're creating content, whether paid or whether free, right? Blog posts, I want to have that type of content. If I'm doing like a Facebook ad, I want to have that type of content. Directly reaching out to people saying, look, this is the problem that you're trying to solve. This is what I have that is going to help you solve that problem, right? So you're literally just connecting the buyer who has a problem, the product, which is the solution. You connect them. For the sales that you generate, you get paid a commission. It's a very simple and easy business model, and it's so simple. It's the easiest way to get into internet marketing. Now, for those of you who are probably like, cool, that makes 100% sense, right? But I don't know how to create a website. I don't know how to create sales funnels. I don't know how to drive traffic. I don't know how to follow up with these people once I actually start getting them, right? I don't know how to follow up with content or email marketing or anything along those lines, right? That's where you either need two things, guys. You need to invest into yourself with like a paid course or something along those lines. Second link in the description, you can actually get access to mine, right? Or number two, a mentor, right? Somebody who has spent the time, spent the money, spent the efforts. So it's much more powerful to learn from not somebody who's been successful, but somebody who has been successful but has gone through a lot of mistakes, and they can teach you how to avoid those mistakes, right? So with that being said, I have a course, guys. Second link in the description. Grab access to it. It's called Emails for Profits. You can go to emailsforprofits.com, and it'll go ahead and give you guys the next level of training, right? I have over 50 videos and over 50 hours of content that I literally walk you guys step by step, hold your hand, and teach you guys how to start an affiliate marketing business from scratch, right? So if you've been wondering how I've been traveling the world, going to Europe pretty soon, living my dream life, and this wouldn't have been possible if I didn't learn this skill set, right? So if you want to learn it, make the investment. It's going to pay for it tenfold. One of my students literally within their first month made $3,000, right? That's 6 times what I'm charging for the course right now. So that being said, take action below, hit the subscribers button, hit the notifications bell, and make sure to give a thumbs up because it really does help. Now, for those of you who were looking to begin affiliate marketing, that's how you do it. You can either do it the hard way and figure it out yourself, or you can invest into yourself, find a mentor, and somebody who can lead you along the way. Now, regardless, I appreciate you guys so freaking much. As always, I will see you tomorrow. Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.